If you're looking for a handheld inkjet printer, you probably already know they're supposed to print on anything: plastic, metal, wood, even curved surfaces. But here's what no product page tells you. Most of them clog after a few uses, the ink smudges, or the battery dies mid-shift. I found that out the hard way. Product number 1, Jet Printco JC01. First up is the Jet Printco JC01. This thing looks like it was built for a factory floor, sleek black design, 4.3-inch touchscreen, and it only weighs 390 grams. At $204, it's positioned as a serious industrial tool, not a toy. If you need something lightweight that won't quit during an 8-hour packaging shift, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 16-hour battery life means you can literally print all day without hunting for an outlet. The 42 ml solvent-based ink dries in 2 to 5 seconds, no smudging on plastic wraps or cardboard boxes. And with 300 nozzles, it lays down crisp text, barcodes, and even QR codes on uneven surfaces like curved bottles or foam packaging. It supports USB file imports, so you can drop in logos or batch numbers from your computer, and the 25 language options make it easy for multilingual teams. Now, some people complained about the lack of app support. You can't control it from your phone. Here's the thing though, that actually makes it more stable. No Bluetooth drops, no app crashes, it just works straight out of the case. The trade-off? Less convenience if you're used to mobile printing. But for warehouse crews or food packaging lines, reliability beats fancy features. This is perfect for you if you're in manufacturing, logistics, or retail and need a no-nonsense printer that handles rough environments. Skip this one if you want wireless printing or color output. It's monochrome only. For the price, it's a solid workhorse. Product number 2, Feather P15. Next is the Feather P15, priced at $191. What stands out immediately is the claim: no app, no computer, no phone needed. That's huge if you're printing in remote areas or fast-moving production lines where downtime kills efficiency. It runs on a quad-core CPU with built-in memory, so you can save templates and print them instantly. Need to print a new batch number on 50 cartons? Just type it in and go. The 2000 mAh battery keeps it running for hours, and at 1.54 pounds, it's light enough to use one-handed. It prints on everything: glass, cloth, cables, even stone, thanks to the 360-degree positioning plate. Plus, it supports 25 languages and multiple ink colors, including UV and invisible ink for security labeling. Here's the thing though, that only happens if you're trying to print complex graphics. For simple date stamps or barcodes, flawless. The real win is the independence from external devices, great for field workers or small businesses without IT support. This is perfect for you if you need standalone operation and multi-surface printing without relying on a computer. Skip this one if you frequently update designs from a central system. You'll miss cloud sync. Still, for the price, it's one of the most self-sufficient options out there. Product number 3, Minsign MSZ10. Now, if the Feather P15 standalone feature impressed you, the Minsign MSZ10 takes portability a step further. At $187, it's one of the most affordable in this list, but don't let the price fool you. It supports print heights from 0.08 to 0.5 inches and up to 5 lines of text, perfect for detailed labeling. The 42 ml quick-dry ink prevents smudging on glossy surfaces like aluminum or plastic wraps. You can print directly on the device or import files via USB, ideal for small shops that switch between products often. It works on curved surfaces too, thanks to THE Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter positioning plate, and supports multiple languages including Japanese and Spanish. Here's the thing though, that's still enough for weeks of daily use in a small warehouse. And since it's so lightweight and comes in a protective case, it's easy to carry between sites. The real trade-off is volume. This isn't built for high-speed factories. This is perfect for you if you run a small business, DIY workshop, or retail store and need affordable, flexible printing. Skip this one if you're printing thousands of labels daily. You'll burn through ink fast. But for occasional use, it's a steal. Product number 4, Ezihand H50. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for industrial users, the EasyHand H50. At $204, it's nearly identical to the Jet Printco JC01 in specs, 390G weight, 16-hour battery, 42 ml fast dry ink. But here's the difference. EasyHand focuses on drop resistance and ergonomics. The solvent-based ink dries in seconds on metal, glass, and even oily surfaces, which is rare. The 300 nozzle system ensures consistent output, and the 4.3-inch touchscreen supports 25 languages, making it great for global teams. USB import lets you load logos or batch codes quickly. Now, some users said the touchscreen isn't as responsive in cold environments. Here's the thing though, that's common with most handheld electronics. If you're working in a refrigerated warehouse, keep it in your pocket between uses. Otherwise, it performs flawlessly. This is perfect for you if you're in food packaging, logistics, or manufacturing and need a durable, long-lasting printer. Skip this one if you need color printing or wireless connectivity, but for pure reliability, it's a top contender. Product number 5, Kanpico KP0081 1-inch. Finally, the Kanpico KP008, the most advanced on this list. At $326, it's pricier, but it offers a full 1-inch print height and a massive 72 ml ink cartridge. That's double the ink of most models, meaning fewer refills and lower long-term cost. The 600 dpi resolution ensures barcodes scan every time, even on rough surfaces like wood or concrete. The 10-hour battery and upgraded memory card support let you store hundreds of templates. Plus, the ergonomic grip and smooth wheels make it easy to glide over uneven surfaces. Now, some users complained about the weight. It's heavier than the others, which can tire your hand over long shifts. If you're printing all day, take breaks or use a stand. This is perfect for you if you need high-volume, high-visibility printing in warehouses, construction, or retail. Skip this one if you prioritize ultra-lightweight design, but if you want power and capacity, this is the one. So which one should you get? If you need ultralight and durable, go with Jet Printco or EasyHand. Want standalone operation? Fezer P15 is your best bet. On a budget, Minsign MSZ10 delivers great value. And if you print all day and need big labels, the Kanpico KP008 is worth the investment. No matter your need, there's a handheld inkjet printer that actually works. Just avoid the ones that clog after 2 uses.